Well, let's have a look at little LOM here. He's looking pretty nice. I think the colours are all looking pretty good. Let's get a little bit of a close-up here. I think the weathering is looking nice. I'm still yet to do his hands. I'm almost finished those. And shoulder bells I finished. I did some machining inside. Took away that edge so that it was just a little bit more, I don't know, what's the word? Better. No, I took that because it just looked like the rubber tubing was just glued onto a block of foam, so I just shaved it all down a bit so it would flow a bit better with the arms, because now they'll just go to bed together a bit better. That's what I was trying to say. A bit more space for them to move around in. Yeah, just got to attach the bells onto there. You know, I really wanted these to pivot on the shoulder ring, but it's very difficult to make that work with foam. So I'm just going to do the, pivot from the top. And my old costume, I had magnets just set down in the bottom here, which just helped to locate that in the correct position when after I've moved, it just kind of locked it back. So when I just had my arms straight, it just kept those in place. So I think it's turned out pretty nice. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, which looks just like the pictures online. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I don't know, let me know what you think.